sponsored by Cali Hunter Organics, and I just want to say this shit smells delicioso, okay? It smells really good coming out of the box. I haven't opened up any other products yet, so I will be using it for the first time as I'm doing this video. So this video is sponsored by Cali Hunter Organics, and I just want to say this shit smells delicioso, okay? It smells really good coming out of the box. I haven't opened up any other products yet, so I will be using it for the first time as I'm doing this video. I'm just gonna get into it. This is the Lemonade Face and Body Scrub. Face and Body Scrub. Y'all, this packaging is like super dope. I just love it. We have the whipped shea butter, and then it have the benefits of it on the back. So all of these products are 100% natural, organic, no chemicals. So woo-hoo. This is the cocoa body butter. We also have a peppermint exfoliating lip scrub. Inside with the packaging came their card and letting you know about their company, and it's like really cute. And also they are black. So I do have my washcloth, which is white, because you kind of want to see if you still got dirt or any cleanser left on your face. So use a white cloth. I'm going to be using the Lemonade Face and Body Scrub. This really does. It smells really, really, really good. This. So for those who don't know, you don't want to exfoliate more than 2 or 3 times a week, only because exfoliating can strip your natural oils. So you just want to be very careful. I'm going to wash off this scrub. Black owned product that I will be using is this face cleanser by Olivia Rose Attila. Now, just to make sure that scrub and the sugar is off of my face, being that I'm not in the shower, I can't really wash it how I want to. So I'm going to take the cleanser . During the winter months, my lips can be very chapped. So I'm going to take this exfoliating lip scrub. Face and my lips feel very refreshing, I should say. I'm going to be using this peppermint moisturizer. Ooh. That is really nice. This is really smooth and it still gives that nice gloss. With this cocoa body butter. You guys, these are real results. Me using this product and not just advertising it. I actually wanted to use it on my skin to see how I liked it. But being that it's 100% natural, I'm all for it. So go ahead and support these black businesses. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.